Most homeowners fail at septic maintenance for one specific reason, and it has nothing to do with how often they pump. If you've called a pump truck, paid $450 or more, and still dealt with the same smell weeks later, this video is for you. The septic industry has been giving you half the answer. Today we're covering the full picture. We'll explain exactly what's really causing those odors, why they keep returning, and precisely how to stop them before they spread through your home and yard. Here's the frustrating truth most homeowners discover the hard way. Your septic system wasn't designed to fail every few years, but it does. You pump the tank, the smell disappears for a few weeks, then it returns. Maybe worse than before. That's because pumping only removes accumulated waste. It does nothing to fix why waste builds up faster than it should. The real culprit is bacterial imbalance inside your tank. Without the right bacteria, organic matter doesn't break down. It sits there, rotting, releasing gas that works its way back into your home. The solution isn't more pumping. It's restoring your tank's bacterial balance. When you introduce the right aerobic bacteria and oxygen directly into your septic tank, organic waste breaks down the way it's supposed to. Odors stop at the source. Buildup slows dramatically. Your system runs the way it was designed to. This approach was developed over 3 years of research and more than $1.5 million in investment through a collaboration between plumbing experts and university scientists. The delivery method is simpler than you'd ever expect, and it takes less than 30 seconds per month. The treatment we're reviewing today comes in solid tablet form, and the usage couldn't be simpler. Drop 1 tablet into your toilet and flush once a month. That's the entire maintenance routine. Each tablet is formulated to release oxygen and beneficial aerobic bacteria directly into your septic tank. This is critical. Aerobic bacteria are far more effective at breaking down organic waste than the anaerobic environment most tanks default to. The oxygen shift changes the entire biological dynamic inside your tank. Less buildup, less gas, less smell. 1 flush per month is all it takes. One of the most common complaints homeowners have is how long septic odor fixes take to work. Most treatments require weeks before you notice anything. This tablet-based approach works differently because it addresses the source immediately. Aerobic bacteria begin colonizing the tank within days of the first treatment. Oxygen is released on contact with water. The result is measurable odor reduction in days, not weeks. Homeowners who've used this approach consistently report that the recurring smell that drove them to pump trucks simply stopped returning after regular monthly use. That's the outcome worth aiming for. A major concern with any septic treatment is chemical safety, both for your system and for the surrounding environment. Harsh chemical treatments can actually kill the beneficial bacteria your tank needs to function. This tablet formula is completely non-toxic and environmentally safe. It doesn't introduce harmful compounds into your soil or groundwater. Instead, it enhances the natural biological process your system relies on. That makes it safe for homes with private wells, vegetable gardens, and properties near waterways or protected land. You're not masking the problem with chemicals, you're solving it with biology. That difference matters enormously. Beyond odors, bacterial imbalance leads to clogs, backups, corrosion, and accelerated system wear, all of which translate into expensive repairs. Pump truck visits alone average $450 per call. Emergency repairs can run into the thousands. Monthly bacterial treatment costs a fraction of that and prevents the conditions that make those repairs necessary in the first place. The research behind this product targeted the full scope of septic failure. Not just smell, but clogs, corrosion, and premature system breakdown. Supporting bacterial balance month after month is the single maintenance strategy that actually extends your system's working life by years. We don't recommend products lightly at SmartFix Home. This septic treatment solution earned our attention because of the depth of its development. Over 3 years of research, more than $1.5 million invested, and a direct collaboration between plumbing industry experts and university scientists. It's not a quick fix gimmick. It's a science-backed monthly maintenance tool designed specifically for homeowners who are tired of the pump and repeat cycle. The approach aligns with what septic experts increasingly recommend. Address bacterial balance, not just waste volume. Most homeowners learn that lesson only after spending thousands they didn't need to spend. If you're done paying $450 every time your septic system acts up, and you want a monthly solution that actually addresses the root cause, go to go.smartfixhome.com. Stop odors naturally right now. We've linked everything directly on that page, including full product details, usage instructions, and how to get started today. Stop treating the symptom. Start supporting your system's bacterial balance with 1 tablet per month. Your septic system wasn't designed to fail, and with the right monthly habit, it won't. Visit go.smartfixhome.com. Stop odors naturally and fix this problem the smart way before the smell returns.